What's up guys, it's Lil Power Boy here today, and my video will be about how to set any ringtone on your iPhone, iOS. And for this, I just take a step and show you something. Here what you want to do. See, my software version is 13.2.3, and to get your ringtone that you want on your iPhone, you must be above iOS 13 or it wouldn't work, because the app you need for this will not be available in the App Store. So with further ado, let's start. So here what you want to do. First thing, you want to go into your App Store and you want to download Documents, and after you finish downloading it, second thing you need to download GarageBand. As you can see right here, after you finish downloading it, you will want to amend and go into your Safari, and you want to type YouTube converter. And here's what you want to do is go into YouTube and just type in any ringtone that you want on your iPhone, any song, any of your choice. So for example, ringtone iPhone, and as you see, share and copy link. After you finish, you simply want to go back to your documents into YouTube converter, and you simply want to paste it. After paste, you want to press on download. So as you could see right here, it's a Trap City ringtone. Converting, please wait. And then you want to simply press on download, and as you can see right here, your iPhone ringtone is downloading. After it's finished downloading, you want to press on it. simply want to press on share, but as you can see again, after downloading it, I press share, save the files, and you can see save the GarageBand for iOS, and press on save. After doing that, you want to go into GarageBand, and you go here, and you want to press on OK, and you want to press on the third square box at the top here, and you press on loop, and then as you can see here, move audio files, and press move files, and as you can see right here, iPhone ringtone trap remix. You want to press and hold on it and place it right there, and want to press on this little thing at the top, and it marks save, and you simply hold on down on it and press on share, and you can share it to ringtone, and you could customize, change the name with trap remix, and exporting as ringtone. Okay, and the next step you want to do is going back to settings, as you can see I have 3 already, and that's my end of the video, and please leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.